As the heat of the summer season takes over, wouldn't you love to dip into the refreshing coolness of your very own backyard pool? We're here to introduce you to the exquisite Cyberlane, a top-tier fiberglass swimming pool with an elegant rectangular layout and an attached spa to add a touch of luxury. What makes the Cyberlane so irresistible? Well, its chic and compact design makes it a preferred choice among our urban clients who are looking to make the most out of their small backyards. With a comfortable length of 22 and a depth of 4 feet 9 inches, the Cyberlane is not just a pool, it's a lifestyle. But don't let its size fool you. Its flat-bottom layout is a favorite among customers who use it for beneficial water therapy and invigorating aerobic training. The Cyberlane offers a comprehensive package to anyone wanting a pool with a compact frame, delivering an exceptional amount of value to your outdoor living space. It's not just a pool, it's your summer sanctuary, where versatility meets functionality. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.